Hey, Mandy, how are you? My name is Leo Arona with Arona Marketing. I spoke with Jennifer today. Jennifer was awesome on the phone. I think she's a really good face of the company. She was super nice, polite, and informative. Um, I let her know I was shooting over this quick video with some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and or your Google Business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. As you can see, I've got your website pulled up here. Uh, I love the call to action up at the top you got here because most people are searching on their cell phone. They come right in here, they can click that call button and get right in touch with you. Like the logo, you got it front and center here. Trusted, quality, local. I've seen your reviews. So trust is definitely a big factor, and it seems like you got a lot of trust with the community. Um, just just a nice website all along. Very very good work. Very good work. I've been looking through your photos and things like that. But one of my biggest suggestions here would be add more content. Google loves content. They have crawlers that crawl these sites all day, every day. And the crawlers don't know what your site is. They don't understand it. So what they do is they go through your content and highlight keywords: roofing, roofing repair, commercial roofing, commercial roof repair, um, things like that. And then they, in return, tell Google what your website's about. So it's important to have a minimal of 1,500 keywords. Words of content, and you want that to be keyword-rich content on this homepage. Throughout that content, the keywords need to be strategically placed, through the content so it looks natural and organic. And a keyword is simply the service that you do and the location that service is provided in. Another good thing to do is when you're saving these photos, make sure that they're keywords as well. So that could be roof, new roof, Mount Juliet, new roof, Nashville, Tennessee, roof repair, Nashville, Tennessee, roof repair, Mount Juliet. Again, the roof repair is a service, Mount Juliet or Nashville is the location, and that's a keyword. I would suggest a couple more ways to convert up here. Maybe just adding a form submit. Some people don't want to call. They're a little shy. They might not like talking on the phone, so they could have a form submit of what they need. You got this right here where you can text. That's a really good option there too. Now, what I've done is I've taken your website and I've actually put it in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting in Google's eyes. So this is your UR and your DR. This is the strength, and this is the trust that your site has with Google, and this is out of 100. So you want to keep these numbers balanced and continuously moving up. So you're doing really good as far as keeping them pretty close to being balanced. And you've got 937 backlinks and 138 referring domains. So implementing some of these tips is really going to help boost these numbers here. Now, a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. It's just simply a shout out from one website to your website, sharing power. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy and then some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the ones that's more authoritative and that's relevant to the industry and that is local to you. You don't want a Pizza Hut backlink. Although it will count as a backlink, it's quality over quantity. So you could go to Pizza Hut and leave a review and put timleeperroofing.com. It will count as a referring domain and a backlink, but it holds no power because it has nothing to do with roofing. So if we take a look at some of your organic keywords, you're being found for 202. So you're indexing for 202 organic keywords. And I noticed that your Google business profile is Mount Juliet, but all of your searches, all your organic keywords, roofers in Nashville, Tennessee, 350 search volume, 18, you're in position 20, you're getting one search off that a month. Now, you do have some pretty good keywords up here. Let's see, Nashville Roofing Repair, you're in position 6, and that's driving 17 people to your website a month. But I did go through all 4 pages of this, and I really didn't see anything for Mount Juliet. So it seems like you're really targeting the Nashville area, and that's understandably so, because the population in Mount Juliet doesn't compare to the Nashville market. So another suggestion for here would be to have you a services tab. On that drop down, it'll be Nashville, Mount Juliet, whatever places that you serve. But you definitely have got to get some content on here, because in Google's eyes, content is king, and you need to have a minimal of 1,500 1,500 keyword enriched content throughout your website. Sorry, I don't know why it's a tongue twister to me right now. So what I've done is I've went to right here. I'm showing you Nashville Roofers. This is the service, and this is the location. So this is a keyword phrase. Now, normally there is Google Guaranteed up here at the top. There are Google ads, and then up under that is the map pack. Now, the top 3 of the map pack is really where you want to be. These are the ones that's forefront and center. These are the ones that is most trusted. And in the public's eyes, they think that, Music City Roofer is the #1 trusted roofing business, and it's not. It is because of the reviews they have. It's because of the content on their website. It's because of the keywords that they use. So basically, these are the most optimized websites, but they are all very beatable. So the map pack, you are not in this top 3 right now, and that's fine, because there are several ways to get there. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that the business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet, and that's for your directory, so you definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section, and you want to make sure you get that filled out and make sure that you have keywords in that as well. So down here you see that you're utilizing it. Let's see, Dave Ramsey in there. Okay. But make sure you're utilizing all 750 characters, and there needs to be some keywords in here, the keywords that you want to be found for. So, you need to make sure you have roof repair, Nashville, Tennessee. That's a good keyword. Nashville roofing repair, things like that needs to go inside of your About Us down here. Now, you want to make sure that you are geotagging and geolocating these photos correctly. Let's see. Because again, like I told you earlier, see, this is another one of my clients. This is correct. It's got everything that it needs in there. It's geotagged, geolocated. So wherever the address of this picture is, it should be geotagged on the map over here. That way, if this person needs help roofing and they're searching for roofers near me, you've got a photo tagged right across the street. So you'll get pings for that as too. So, again, that is a geotag, geolocated photos. Also, you can add citations, and the citation is your business name, address, and phone number. You can put those in directories like Yellow Pages, Yext, Yelp, because at the end of the day, as funny as it is, it's just a big popularity contest. The more you have your information out to as many directories as possible, it will start making Google trust you more, and it'll boost your business not only in your area, but also in the surrounding areas as well. Now, what we have up under the map pack is the organics. This is where you're going to capture about 60 to 70% of your traffic, and you're going to get 30 to 40% of your traffic up here in the map pack. So it's very important, because when it comes to people searching for services, they're not going to go down in here and go all the way down and click over to the next page to find your business. They're more likely going to pick someone that is right here in this top section. Same thing for the organic. So this is your number one competitor in Nashville, and their site's not even, can't even scroll on it with your mouse pad on your laptop. But looking through here, their website, these are number one people. As you can see, they don't have content on their website either. So just by placing more content on your website than theirs, while adding some of those keywords and backlinks, you will start to outrank these guys. And these are the number one guys in the organics. So I wanted to show you something before we get out of here. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Again, I noticed you wasn't going for anything in Mount Juliet, but there's about 380, almost 400 search volume here, and all of these keywords are very easy to rank for. Zeros, ones, not available. The search isn't high, but if you throw all these into your content, you'll start picking these apart. You know, even if you only got 10% of these, or even 5%, you know, 2 calls, 2 calls, 2 calls, 1 call, 2 call, 1 call, 1 call, 1 call. You know, if you had all these keywords in your content, that's 10 extra calls a month minimal just from the Mount Juliet area. And so again, I'd like to see more content on this homepage. Make sure that you get some service areas in here so you know exactly what areas you want to service. If you need any help with anything, feel free to give me back. Give me a message back. Mandy, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tips and tricks. Again, my name is Leo Rona. Feel free to reach back out with any questions, comments, concerns, because I can be a resource for you that can answer questions for you if need be as well. Have a great day.